since people were so mad because I took my car to the car wash, will be washing. My dad will be washing it here for me, with me. I'm gonna be helping him, of course. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So this is the before of my car. Look who just pulled up. Oh, he forgot his mask. My sister's wasting water right now.
I'm cleaning the driveway. Who said I'm wasting water? You need some cleaning?
Okay, clean the driveway then. Okay. Missed a few spots, but okay.
It didn't come off.
Look at these kids pulling up. You know, like to wash our cars at the house because people always say we have a detailing business and they snitch and they just. But my dad offered to wash my car today. You couldn't get off. Are you gonna dry my rims for me? Yay. So my brother bought me some White Claw.
Fucking alcoholic.
Psych, I'm gonna try that.
I got the best. I got the men beer right here. Me. And then we got my dad this water. Here.
I'm about to try these. I don't know if these are good or not, but hey, let's see.
He got me this one.
No, this is not it. This is nasty. How can y'all drink this? This is the proper way to drink White Claws. Chug that hoe. Disgusting.
All right, so I told this girl to just put a little bit, and she soaked the whole thing, and now it's all wet.
No, it's all stained.
Let me see.
Told you I didn't know how to do it.
You need to learn. Look, it's all dripped.
Oh my god. Let the pro do it.
Let me see.
No, 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 no.
Like that, that's all you gotta do. Just scrub
Oh, okay.
it. Say,
Oh, smart.
you're so dumb. Oh my god. That's all it takes, Emily. One squirt.
Thought it was winded.
You're so dumb.
My sister's gonna be vacuuming my car because she makes it a mess. Okay? Okay, so vacuum. Go.
You're supposed to put the before and after.
Go. Alright, let me go get the before. Okay, guys, so she wants the before and after. So, like, this is the before. My car's not even dirty. It's not even dirty, but I guess. Just go. Try your best. Yeah, my car's not even dirty, but still, I like it extra clean. You know, my car gotta be squeaky clean. Look who's pulling up. Static Joe pulling up. He got nowhere to park, dude. Better park next door, dude. My sister's still vacuuming my car. I'm sorry. Looking clean. Good job.
Oh, I'm done, honey.
My car is all clean now. Trunk clean.
So this is my car all washed up. It is the next day and this is how it looks. It's so clean. It was raining earlier. Yeah, it was raining a little bit earlier, but my car was in the garage, so hopefully it doesn't rain because my car looks super clean. Where are we going today, Daniel?
Probably go eat. I'm not sure.
Yeah, Daniel wants to go get some food because he's hungry and we're gonna go out. Turn around, let me see your shirt. Y'all cop the merch. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can go get the merch. So I recorded my speakers, but you guys cannot hear. Like, camera does no justice for the way it sounds. It sounds so much better in person. But oh, my lip gloss fell. Thank you. There goes my sister in the back. I just turned my car on because we're leaving, but I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit because my brother told me, don't ever leave with your car cold. So yeah. So we're hungry and we decided that we're gonna go to Olive Garden because last time we went to Olive Garden it was just so good and they want to go again. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to go get Olive Garden. So So I'll see y'all when I get it. So we just made it to Olive Garden. So I thought it was gonna be busy because it was just a line outside, but since it was just us three, they let us in. So we're about to eat. We were gonna go to IHOP, but we woke up late, and by the time we were like done getting ready, they were like, never mind. I mean, I didn't mind eating breakfast early. Eating breakfast late, but they did. They were like, no, let's go to Olive Garden instead. So we came here. I ordered the same thing as last time. That's my go-to. Low key, we want to go to the pool, but we don't know if we're gonna go. You think you should go or no? Oh wait, I don't know if we're gonna have time to go to the pool. Yeah, Daniel's face is super red. Daniel always gets Sprite, so his came fast. But me and Lacey want to be bougie and get that bougie drink, so we have to wait.
What do you do this at school?
What?
A little piece of like.
No, that's what y'all boys be doing, right? I hope they don't take long because it's late and we're trying to go somewhere before they close. So they better take like an hour here. We gotta go. Oh, and I got lost on my way over here for some reason. I wasn't paying attention. Still be getting lost here, like it's crazy. But whatever. Or we would have been here way earlier, but you know, I feel the bread just got here and she could not wait. She took a bite of that. I'm hungry.
I'm gonna take a bread.
Bite it. It's hot? You hate it?
I mean, like, I don't like it by itself.
Oh, okay. So we're waiting on the salad and our drinks. They give you a big strawberry or... So our drinks got here. With buds. They're so good. This girl. Try it. You're dumb. Why would you do that? So our salad just got here. My favorite.
And they're about to bring us more bread.
Yeah, they're gonna bring more breadsticks because we finished all the breadsticks. We're hungry. Look, Daniel hiding his breadstick over there.
So we don't eat them.
Right. Y'all, I'm already full. I ate a whole bunch of salad and a whole bunch of bread. Why do I always do this? You know. Now when my food comes, I'm not even gonna be hungry.
I did eat last time. I only ate like once. I ate one chicken. One piece of chicken and I was full.
Eat this. It's okay. We can just take the food if we don't finish it for later. So our food just got here and it looks so good. They already started eating. I'm about to eat and I'm gonna get with y'all when we are done. So we just finished eating and oh, I don't like how I look in here, but anyways, we're gonna go to our next destination and it is really hot out here. So we came to get some nachos and I got me a chamoyada. Daniel didn't get nothing because I don't know, he's weird. He doesn't like Mexican stuff like this. He likes ice cream and other things. Why you didn't get nothing then?
I don't want them.
Okay, well he doesn't want anything. He never gets nothing when we come here. But we're gonna head home and eat this at home. Hey guys, it's the next day. Yesterday I didn't record anymore because we just came straight home and we didn't do much, so I didn't really want to record that. It's so hot outside, so if you guys hear my AC in the background, it's just too hot, you know. We are going out to eat again. You guys probably think we eat out all the time, but we don't. I cook sometimes when I have time because cooking is very time consuming and I don't always have time to cook because I have other things I need to do. I'm vlogging, so I don't think you guys want to see me cook, you know, that's kind of boring. So we're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse. I've never been there before and I wanted to try it. I want some ribs. I make some bomb ass ribs when I cook, but they take so long and I don't got time to be waiting that long. I'm hungry, I want to eat some. I've been wanting to eat some for a minute now, so hopefully they're good at Texas Roadhouse. I have my little brother and my little sister with me. So I'm gonna start heading down that way, and I'm gonna get with you guys as soon as we get there. So we just made it to Texas Roadhouse. This is our first time here, so let's see if it's good, right now. This is Daniel's home. So we just got our drinks. Me and my sister got strawberry lemonade, and Daniel got Sprite, of course. Daniel's go-to, right? So we just ordered our food, and we're waiting for it. They need to hurry up because I'm hungry.
I got.
Yeah, Daniel got him a 12-ounce steak. You better eat it all. You will?
Probably, I'm hungry. I don't eat nothing all day.
Right. So, am I a nice sister for bringing you out to eat whenever you want?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm your favorite sister? He had to look at Lisi. I'm just kidding.
There's not favorites.
She said there's no favorites around him. This lemonade is bomb. If you know me, you know I love strawberry lemonade. Like, it's my go-to. You don't like it?
It's so good.
Daniel doesn't like lemonade for some reason, but he likes Sprite.
Like regular lemonade.
Oh, you do? I love strawberry. Like, it's so much better. So, I'm gonna wait until they bring us our food, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So, I was up editing my video all last night. Who knows me better? My sister, my best friend. So, I just dropped that video out right now. So, make sure you guys check that out right after this video. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure you go watch it because it's kind of funny. It's kind of fun to watch. I don't know. I like it. So, our food just got here. Me and my sister got the same thing. And Daniel got a steak with fries.
It's so good with a steak.
It does look good. You better eat all of that. So we're about to eat. How are you gonna cut your steak? Look, that big ass knife.
Oh, no.
Be careful. Let's see. Let's see how you do it. You gotta use a fork. Like that. You gotta use the fork like that. Hold both of them. Like that. There you go. So me and my sister about to eat, and we're gonna get with y'all as soon as we're done eating. So we just got done eating, and it was so good. Like, oh my god, I love it. I'm super tired. I'm ready for bed. I don't know how much I have back home, but I'm super tired. Close your mouth. I'm super tired. I'm falling asleep right here. I think I'm gonna stay here and sleep. Why, you're sleepy too? Are you? So who's gonna drive? Who's on ahead? Not me. Not me. At 3 we run, alright? 1, 2, 3. Just got out of Texas Roadhouse. It was really good, and I'm very sleepy, so yeah. I'm gonna head back home, but that is gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and make sure you guys check out my older videos if you are new. Go watch my old videos. But yeah guys, we're on the road to 7K subscribers. Help me get there. Let's get to 10K. There's Daniel in the back. A lot of you guys want Daniel to make a YouTube channel. I don't know if Daniel will be making a YouTube channel. That is up to him. But Daniel's truck build is coming soon. So stay tuned for that. I don't know whose channel it's gonna be. Don't forget to enter the truck giveaway. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can go purchase some merch and you can get a chance to win a free truck, or you can get a four-wheeler.
Polaris Sportsman 850 high lifter.
What he said, all of that. Anyways, we're gonna head back home. We have a few things to do at home, so we're ending off this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Make sure you turn on the bell notifications. You get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys want to see more of me, make sure you follow me on my social media. That will be down below.